Hello everyone, welcome to XD Tutorials. Today we are going to make different movement scripts in Scratch. This will teach you a lot about character movement like player movement and enemy movement. And with no time to spare, let's get into the video. Okay everyone, let's start with basic one-dimensional movement. For this you require a when flag clicked block, a forever block, get two if blocks, go to sensing, get these blocks. You can use the arrow keys or you can use WASD. I'm using WASD, but you can use arrow keys if you want. And now go to motion and get this block, change X by. And you want to set this to -10 and set the other one to just 10. And now you have basic one-dimensional movement in Scratch. Next we have two-dimensional movement. For this you can add to the script and add two additional if blocks. Now go to sensing and repeat what was done first, but then you have to change this to W or up arrow keys, depending on what you chose. And change this to D, S, or left S, or down arrow. This. And now go to motion and be sure to get change Y by and not change X by, because it will do the same thing as this if you do that. And now change this thing to -10. And now you have basic two-dimensional movement in Scratch. Next we have rotational movement. Rotational movement. So get this forever block, get an if block and another if block, 3 if blocks, and go to sensing, use the left arrow key or A, and use the right arrow key or D. And now we add one more, and this is W or up arrow key, depending on what you chose. W, and then go to motion, get this turn left block and a turn right block, and then move 10 step block in the when W pressed. Now you got rotational movement in Scratch. Doesn't fit well for this sprite, but it will fit for other sprites. Next we have enemy movement. So if you want to make a game that has an enemy, that searches around a place. This you can use this movement script. Get the forever block, then get this repeat block, get this repeat block, and get this change x by block. 1, get this change x by 1, and it will move there. You can change it to what the speed you want. It will improve the enemy's speed. And then get another repeat block and get it to change x by -5. -5. So you can change these settings based on how far the enemy is patrolling. So you can make a game using that has enemies using this. What? As you see, it patrols a certain amount of area, which is controlled using the how much it's repeating on.